Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. So today I'm going to share you a cozy yet welcoming door decor idea. So let's see the arrangement and decor. Also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Coming home is one of the most beautiful things. Let's make it even more welcoming. So I took a long wood piece from scrap and painted it white. Once the paint is dried, I wrote H, M and E of home with the help of a ruler and pencil. Colored it black. I left O so that I'll cover it with a wreath. To make a leafy wreath for O, I took a stem of artificial flowers. I put 8 to 10 leaves around it. I fixed it with the help of nails at the place of O. Then I fixed the leaves at its place with the help of adhesives. I took 2 cardboard pieces and painted it black so that I can write the surname above and the year it is established on the bottom. Something like this, and fixed it with adhesive. These are some Christmas decors. Now this is the second DIY, a small flower basket for which I took this cane, painted it white. I made 2 holes to hang with the help of a rope. Now this is the door initially. So this is the wooden textured laminate. I fixed it with nails. Then I put our hanging basket and put all the leaves and flowers into it. These are artificial flowers and leaves I used. You can also plant a real plant. Really pretty, isn't it? Now this is a welcome wreath I made on Christmas. I used it here on the door. I'm going to link the video in description box. Now arranging some of the pots. Now this one I gave a rustic look. These are mostly crotons here. So the home signboard on left, I used this shabby rug which is of very warm tone. To give little bit more decor around the lamp, I used Christmas balls, some twigs and leaves. Added one more rug on the bottom. I put 2 candles on a wooden base. You can see the transition. The end result is very satisfying. Home is peaceful where you can relax. Home is comfort. And above all, home is freedom to be yourself. See you again.